Assalamu alaikum, this is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. In this video, I love to discuss the most important phrase, that is, what did you say? And I love to discuss it. So let's start it. What did you say? It means you can use this phrase, that is situation. You cannot catch the space. This time you can use this phrase, what did you say? For example, sorry, I didn't catch that. What did you say? Right. So when you are making conversation, you cannot you couldn't understand and catch that the space. This time you can use another situation you can use, that is your friend already got good marks in his presentation. This time you can say in your friend, so what did you say in your presentation? You have got good marks, right? So in it can be another situation you can use what did you say phrase and make conversation. Another session is you and your friend, you are discussing your friend about your exam, right? So but they are discussing, they are discussing about the most important lesson, but you cannot notice that, you couldn't notice that, you couldn't hear that properly. So in this time you can say, what did you say about tomorrow exam? Please repeat it. Right. So in this session, you can also use what did you say phrase and make conversation in your daily life. So today that's all about it. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.